Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Essence in Mobile Dungeon. Essence is a common resource in Mobile Dungeon and can be obtained in several ways throughout the game. One of the easiest methods is through Adventure Mode. Most stages have a chance to reward Essence, even early levels. For example, beginner stages can already drop Essence with decent chances, and higher stages continue offering it as you progress. Another reliable resource is Tower of Titan modes, where essence is often given as a main reward and is usually granted or guaranteed rather than chance based. If you prefer faster methods, you can obtain essence through shops like the black market using real currency or by purchasing it as a resource. You can also trade for essence through the traders on the main screen. Rare resources such as gold can be exchanged depending on available offers. Lastly, participating in limited time events and completing milestone rewards can also grant essence. By consistently playing adventure stages, towers, events, and checking traders, you can maintain a steady supply of essence. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.